Today we will solve one very important numerical on RL circuit to find impedance, to find current, to find the power factor, power. So I am writing one numerical. In the given circuit, find the following: A. Reactance XL, impedance Z, C, circuit current I, D, power factor E, voltage across resistance VR, voltage across inductance VL, power reactance XL, impedance Z, circuit I, circuit current I, power factor, then voltage across resistance VR, voltage across inductor VL and power. इतना चीज निकालना है हम लोगों को. Also find current when frequency reduced to half. This is the numerical. In the given circuit, reactance एक सर्किट दिया हुआ है. सर्किट क्या है? ये है ये है 200 वोल्ट 50 हर्ट्ज. दिस इज 10 ओम 0.1 हेनरी. 0.1 हेनरी. दिस इज द गिवन सर्किट. हमको क्या क्या निकालना है यहाँ लिख दिए हैं. अब हम लोग सवाल सॉल्व करेंगे. फर्स्ट, रिएक्टेंस एक्सएल. एक्सएल इजकल टू ओमेगा एल बराबर 2 पाई एफ एल 2 इंटू 3.14 इंटू 50 इंटू 0.1. So this is 50 into 200, 50 into 200, 100 into 3.14. This is 314, and 314 into 1, this is 31.4. XL 31.4 ohm. Now B, impedance Z is equal to under root I square plus XL square. R is 10 square, this is 31.4 square. So this will be XL 31.4. When after calculation we will get 32.95 ohm. Z is 32.95 ohm. Now see current I. I is equal to V by Z. Supply voltage is 200. 200 divided by 32.95. It will come to 6.07 ampere. current. Now this is the power factor. Power factor D cos phi is equal to R by Z. R is 10 ohm. Z is 32.95. It is coming about 0.3. Since current is lagging, so here will be lag. Power factor is 0.3 lagging. In the inductive circuit, current lags behind the voltage, therefore power factor also lags. So this is 0.3 lagging. Cos phi power factor. Now voltage across resistance E. VR is equal to I into R. I कितना है 6.07 into R is 10. This is 60.7 volt. VR is 60.7 volt. 5 चीज निकल गया. Now voltage across inductor. Voltage across inductor F. VL equal to I into XL. I कितना है 6.07. XL कितना है 31.4. 31.4. After calculation it is 190.6 volt. 190.6 volt. VL. Now power. What is the power consumed by the circuit? Power is EFG. Power P is equal to VI cos phi. V का मान 200. 200 into I का मान 6.07. Cos phi का मान power factor 0.3. 0.3. So after calculating 206.07 into 0.3, perhaps 364.2. 364.2 watt. 364.2 watt. This is the power. In the given circuit is given here, 10 ohm resistance, 0.1 Henry inductance connected in series. Supply 200 volt, 50 hertz. And what we have to calculate, this is RL circuit, numerical on RL circuit. Find the reactance XL, impedance Z, circuit current I, power factor cos phi, voltage across resistance VR, voltage across inductor VL, power in the circuit. तो ये सभी जो है निकल गया. एक्सएल निकल गया. दिस इज ओम. एक्सएल इज 31.4 ओम. इम्पीडेंस इज 31. आंसर इज हियर. 1 इज हियर. तो हम लोग मिटाते हैं, यहाँ आंसर लिखते हैं. इम्पीडेंस 32.95. करंट 6.07 एम्पियर. cos phi पावर फैक्टर 0.3 लैगिंग. VR वोल्टेज अक्रॉस the current into resistance 60.7 volt. F VL I into XL formula 6.07 to 31.4 XL. This is 190.6 volt. Power P VI cos phi, voltage is 200, current is 6.07, cos phi is 0.3, it is 364.2 watt. So all these 6 things we have calculated. Now one part is there. Also find current when frequency is reduced to half. अगर हम फ्रीक्वेंसी को हाफ कर देते हैं उस समय करंट कितना होगा. दिस इज द अनदर पार्ट ऑफ द न्यूमेरिकल. वन पार्ट वी हैव कैलकुलेटेड. नाउ अनदर पार्ट to calculate current while in case the frequency reduced to 25 Hz. Then what is the effect of frequency on the impedance, on the current? This is very important part of this numerical RL circuit or any RLC circuit. What will be the impact on the circuit while changing the frequency? Either frequency is increasing or frequency is decreasing. What will be its impact on this circuit behavior? So we will just solve here. You first find again the XL. XL is 2 pi FL, 2 into 3.14 into now 25 into 0.1. 25 into 2, this is 50. 50 into 0.1, that is 5. 5 into 3.14. It is perhaps 15.7 ohm. XL is 50.7 ohm. After frequency reduced to 25, it is 15.7. Now Z is under root R square plus XL square. R is 10 square. XL is 15.7 whole square. Now Z comes to, it is equal to 18.1 ohm. 18.1 ohm. Now we have to calculate the current. Current will be VI equal to V by Z. I equal to V by Z. I is equal to V by Z. So here will be 18.61. Now 200 divided by 18.61, the current will come to 10.74. 10.74 ampere. Means when the frequency reduced, impedance also reduced. It is directly proportional. Frequency and impedance is directly proportional. Therefore, when frequency will reduce, then reactance will reduce. Reactance will reduce, then impedance will reduce. And when impedance will reduce, current will increase. उस समय करंट बढ़ जाएगा. इसके पहले हम लोग को करंट मिला था 6.07 एम्पियर, लेकिन जब फ्रीक्वेंसी हाफ हो गया तो करंट मिल रहा है 10.7. मीन्स व्हेन फ्रीक्वेंसी विल डिक्रीज, करंट सर्किट करंट विल इंक्रीज, बट इम्पीडेंस इज डायरेक्टली प्रोपोर्शनल. व्हेन फ्रीक्वेंसी will decrease, frequency decrease, then impedance also decrease. Impedance and reactance also decrease, and current will increase. So this is the complete numerical. This is very important numerical on RL circuit. We have calculated all the 6 and 7 variables of the circuit, and we have seen the effect of frequency change on the circuit behavior, on the impact on the value of current and on the value of impedance. Okay. आज हम लोग इतना ही करेंगे. Thank you very much.